Hello my crafty friends, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. You guys, today is the day that I'm going to share with you what I had created for my hashtag 757 CWA and company mixed media collab. Yes, you guys, today is the day, which is the last Sunday of each month. We create something that we all decided to do. So this time around, we decided to alter a clipboard, and I decided to make my own clipboard because at the time that I was looking for one, I couldn't find a clipboard at Dollar Tree, so I put something together to make a clipboard, and it was very easy. So I'm gonna share with you what I used to make my project. But before I get into that, you guys, let me go ahead and welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and looking forward for you to continue to follow me. And of course, you guys, yes, thank you for supporting me, being there for me, and riding this journey along with me. So you guys, let me go ahead and pull out some of the items that I created for my project. So the first thing I use my satin Mod Podge. Love this stuff. I love the satin one, and I also use sometimes the glitter one, but I love it. So I use that. I have picked up this Cookie Concept bamboo cutting board from Dollar Tree, and of course you see it's empty. I have picked up this magnetic clip from Dollar Tree. It's a heavy duty clip. What else I got from Dollar Tree? I also got a sticky notes that comes with 120 sheets. And you guys, I really hope and pray that you can see this. I can't help it, but the sun is shining through my window. So just bear with me. I had pulled out my dies. I pulled out my alphabet dies that I picked up a while back from Michael's The Recollection. So I got the alphabet. I pulled out this Tonic Studio die. This is called the Perfect Harmony. So I used that on the project. What else? I used some of this bling from Dollar Tree. And I use this paper collection. Hope you guys could see it. I love this collection. I had it in my stash forever. And that collection is from Graphic 45. And the name of it is Curtain Call Collection. So yes, you guys, I'm excited. I love this collection. I have only a few sheets left. So you know how we do. We hold on to our specialty papers in the vault. And that's where it at. So I went in my vault and pulled it out. So you guys, let me show you the outcome of my project. And I also, before I show it to you, I also used some gold glitter paper. I believe I have purchased, that was in my vault too. I purchased a while back at AC Moore. That's when they used to sell those thick glitter paper. But yes, you guys. So you guys, look at my outcome. Look at that. Isn't that stinky cute, you guys? Yes, the theme of my clipboard is jazz, you guys. Yes. So you see, I had used that the musical notes on die. I cut out the word jazz and black cardstock. Look at that, you guys. Love it. Love it. And that's, let me take my sticky pad off. My bling about to come up. But this is a heavy duty clip, y'all. got for $1 at Dollar Tree. And to adhere it down, because it have metal on the back, it's like a magnet, I use this super glue that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and it really, really works. But be careful with that. But that's how it looks without the sticky note attached to it. And I picked up this black sticky note from Dollar Tree. This is the first time I ever seen it in black. So you can use your metallic pens with that. But guys, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? I love it. I love the outcome. And you guys, this is how the bamboo chopping board actually look. It's a chopping board that you chop your vegetables on here. But yes, you guys, I love it. Nice and sturdy. And I'm gonna put an element on the back so I can hang it up. But yes, I'm excited about the outcome. I love the paper collection. The Mod Podge really went on very well on my paper. It's no gunk. It's just right, and I love it. I love it, you guys. So that is my outcome for my clipboard, and it took no time. It took no time to put it together, you guys. So if this is your first time coming over to my channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. So with that being said, you guys, be safe, get the crafting, and you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.